Mouth-watering Balinese pork meatballs with authentic Balinese cooking sauce. Perfect served with rice, refreshing aromatic flavor galore. Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Here is our new menu in my cooking class. Pork meat mixed with very flavoring Balinese cooking sauce and add chilies combined with celery leaves and daikon. Absolutely creating umami, refreshing and spicy soup. Hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking!